from the past few months after coming back from Thailand, life has been very, very hectic and chaotic. My mother-in-law got hospitalized. She was really critical, but now she's fine. She's back. She's doing well, and then work, and then my mom's operation, and all of that. You must have been seeing that, the vlogs that I've been posting. So yeah, life has been really hectic, and we wanted to get away and take a break. So finally, we came here at this resort for 72 hours just to get that peace of mind. So I'm really excited to spend 72 hours in this beautiful, beautiful place, away from the chaos life. So I hope you will see some slow vibe in this vlog, because I'm looking forward to that in this holiday. Packing is almost done, and I am going to just wash my hair, wash myself, get ready for this amazing 3 nights of just slowing down. Saurabh is doing all the hard work. Come on. Are we happy to go?
Yes!
Are you excited?
Yes!
Let's go!
Bamboo is something
It's actually really impressive. This is the basic room. This is their first category room, and I am amazed to see the room and the washroom of this room. So nice. I saw the rest of the 2 rooms as well. एक था बैम्बू और एक था लगून विला, बट मुझे ऐसा लगा कि बच्चे के लिए थोड़ा सा ट्रिकी हो जाएगा. एक में स्टेयर्स थे और एक में आउटसाइड लगून टाइप बना हुआ है. वहाँ पे देयर इज़ अ प्लेस वेयर यू कैन सिट. सो मुझे ऐसा लगा शी विल यूज़ इट एज अ ट्रैम्पलिन एंड शी विल डेफिनेटली फॉल in the water. So they asked us if we want to upgrade the rooms, but we love this room, so we said no, we'll take this only. This is so pretty. I am so happy that I selected this resort and this room. Till now, this is what I feel. So just changed a little bit, got a little comfy, and now I am off to the lunch. Saurabh already जाके order place कर चुका है, so I just have to walk to the lunch area, the restaurant, and eat my food. I'm really, really hungry. Let's go. मेरा आपने खाना खा लिया?
हाँ,
क्या खाया?
मैंने खाया कितना जल्दी।
और?
मैंने किसी भी खाया कितना जल्दी।
Oh wow! Came here for a fun pool day. Pool क्या day? 2 घंटे ही रह गए हैं. So let's quickly go and enjoy some amazing time. Everyone is ready for dinner. After the swim, we came back to the room and we just relaxed. And Myra watched some Peppa Pig, and we just spent some time together, me and Saurabh. And Myra is also wearing a beautiful dress, and so am I. And we are going to dinner.
Die.
Die. He is here. Same restaurant. अभी we were supposed to sleep and look what's happening. यहाँ पे मायरा ने गिरा दिया बहुत सारा पानी and हम सो नहीं सकते जब तक ये सूख ना जाए. अब सौरभ लगे हुए हैं इसको सुखा आयरन से. I hope this gets over quickly so that we can sleep. आपकी गलती नहीं है ये?
नहीं।
किसकी गलती है? अच्छा बाय कर दो दोबारा.
Bye.
Bye. Good night. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Hi guys, welcome from day 2 of not talking about a lot of about this resort is because I want you guys to see the next video which will be all about the resort because I'm going to review this resort. Like a honest review I'm gonna give you. These guys are not yet up. I am up. I thought मैं थोड़ा सा makeup करूँगी but I end up doing a full face of makeup because I love makeup. And I'm kind of ready for the day. This is what I'm wearing, just very cool, like a t-shirt from H&M and shorts because I want to be comfortable. I want to slow down. Do not want to do anything. Do not want to think about work. But वो back of the mind तो चल ही रहा है खैर, about a responsibility. So yeah, that's all about it. I'm very hungry. These guys are not waking up. But मैं तो जा रही हूँ खाना खा रहे हैं एंड मायरा अभी तक उठ नहीं रही थी एंड फाइनली वो उठ गई है जैसे उसने देखा मम्मा का कैमरा ऑन हो गया है ना मायरा. चलो अब फटाफट रेडी हो जाओ, ब्रश करो. सो लेट्स गेट गोइंग एंड डू द ब्रेकफास्ट. आई एम रियली हंग्री. लेट्स गो. After the breakfast, it was time for some pool action, and हम लोग straight away pool में चले गए, and it was so fun. Do you want some cake at the room? Okay, all right. Let's go. So guys, I was sitting here reading some novel, and it is so peaceful and so nice that I do not get this in Delhi. My brain in Delhi usually works like overtime, and most of the time it's like brain fog. But here it is so relaxing. I am loving the birds chirping. I am loving how the nature is here around, and बहुत सुकून फील हो रहा है आफ्टर अ रियली लॉन्ग टाइम. मैंने सौरभ और मायरा को पहले लंच करने भेज दिया है. लंच करने के अभी वो जाएंगे, ऑर्डर देंगे, तो उसमें काफ़ी टाइम लगेगा. बाय द टाइम आई जस्ट वांटेड टू गेट ओवर विथ माय हेयर. दिस थिंग, इट इज़ लुकिंग लाइक माई हेयर इज़ लुकिंग वेरी obnoxious, एंड थोड़ा बहुत टचअप करना पड़ेगा बिकॉज माई under eye situation is very bad right now. So yeah, let's quickly get ready for lunch, and let's go eat some lal mas today. We had lal mas here for the lunch, and to burn that up, we came here in the recreational area to play some table tennis. So let's go. So right after table tennis, we went ahead to explore a little bit of the more property, and we found this beautiful pond right outside the Lagoon Villas. And we saw water lilies, we saw lotuses, ducks, and different kind of frogs. I wanted to do cycling with Myra, but they gave me an automatic bicycle जो कि मुझे चलानी नहीं आई, because I don't know how to ride scooties or bikes. So we end up returning it, and then we went to the children's park with Myra.
And done, because life is precious. Ruchika, you can probably get stuck in there. This is where comedy happens. Look, oh my god, terrible. Look, you're stuck. Okay, this is not. It's not a good picture. Would you like to go back?
I'm stuck.
Yeah, you are. You know why? Take a wild guess. This is for kids. I know.
Can you help me?
Why?
At least hold these.
Look at this kid. And I'm not talking about the little one.
Come back.
आपको ऐसे करना
हाँ, wait, very nice. मेरे को सिखा रही. उड़ता ही फिरूं इन हवाओं में कहीं. या मैं झूल जाऊं इन घटाओं में कहीं. Now Myra is feeling a little cranky because she is missing home. She is feeling homesick. Like, what? So yeah, we came back from that playground, and I did shot like 1 or 2 reels, and did some content editing, and now we are going for our dinner. Myra, are you missing everybody at home?
Yeah.
But our buggy is waiting. Should we go?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go. good morning from day 3 and this is our last day in here in this resort and look at the view. रात को बहुत बहुत बारिश हुई थी यहाँ पे. अभी मौसम बहुत अच्छा है but थोड़ा सा hot and humid अभी भी है. So Myra and Saurabh will chill. I will shoot a little more content for my reel and short today. And this view is so good. I'm ready for the breakfast. Quickly, let's go and do the breakfast and then let's start the day. This is what Myra is wearing. She is looking so cute. I got this dress from the Thailand trip and she's looking so cute. Oh my god. Let's go to the breakfast, Myra. You want to eat some chocolate chip muffin? Yes? Yay! To burn some breakfast calories because here we are only lazing around and eating. हम quickly room में गए, change किया and recreational room में गए और बहुत सारा टीटी खेला and फिर followed by that we went to do some more swimming. Here for some lunch after swimming. So let's go order something. Saurabh is very hungry. I'm not. I had a lot on the breakfast. And let's see what I can eat. Like a little bit. Myra, wear your glasses. Show me your glasses.
Go for your glasses.
Oh, no, wear it.
Wear them, man.
Wow. Okay, she's not liking it. तो हमने जो लंच किया हम लोगों ने किया अराउंड 4:35 एंड देन वी केम एंड स्लेप्ट एंड अभी मेरी ऐसी हालत हो रही है. मेरे को एक और रील शूट करना था बट मेरी हालत बिल्कुल नहीं हो रही है. टू पुट ऑन मेकअप, टू पुट ऑन अ ड्रेस, टू डू ऑल शबैंग्स. जस्ट वांट टू कम बैक, रिलैक्स, लाउंज एंड स्लीप, रीड सम बुक एंड चिल. सो चलते हैं, डिनर करते हैं. Myra is getting ready, just changing. Okay, I finally managed to put together a look. It's like I'm wearing the first day wala hi dress. And I know I'm looking like a Banjaran with like the shoes beneath, but I would like to walk for a while after the dinner. तो इसलिए मैंने shoes ही पहन लिए वो और कोई slippers वगैरह मैं लाई नहीं. And this is the look I've put together. Let's go do our dinner. It's 10 o'clock at night. कोई नहीं पा रहा है. Let's go quickly. Good morning from the last day. Today we are going back to Delhi. But सबसे पहले हम लोगों ने थोड़ी सी पैकिंग कर ली है. अब हम जा रहे हैं रेस्टोरेंट एरिया टू हैव आवर ब्रेकफास्ट एंड देन क्विकली विल जस्ट सॉर्ट एवरीथिंग आउट. कुछ चीज़ें हैं जो हमें मिल नहीं रही है, सो विल सॉर्ट एवरीथिंग आउट, पैक एंड देन लीव फॉर दिल्ली. सो ब्रेकफास्ट टाइम इट इज़ नाउ. सो आफ्टर द ब्रेकफास्ट वी डिड आवर फाइनल पैकिंग. हमारा एक आईपैड मिसिंग हो गया था एक दिन पहले, जो कि फाइनली हमें रिसेप्शन से मिल गया था. And yeah, so we left for Delhi, but I would say Ajabgarh is a really nice place. Especially, we spent really quiet and serene vacation. And if you do like the vlog, give it a like and subscribe to our channel. Do not forget to also check out our Instagram handle. Thank you so much, guys, for watching this video. I hope you are liking the video qualities now. Let me know in the comment section below if you need any changes, anything else. I would be happy to incorporate that in my videos. Thank you so much again, and I'll see you in my next video. Thank you.